aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Hoda?
Yes, sir. Question number 39.
39 discuss ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Yeah, question number 39. Which of the following will not give iodoform test, right?
Yes, sir.
Which of the following will not give iodoform test? First option, ethanol. Second option, ethanol. Isopropyl alcohol. Fourth one, benzyl alcohol. Yes, iodoform test can be answered by alcohols, aldehydes, ketones. Remember, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, aldehydes, and ketones. Here, but the aromatic alcohol, that is called as a benzyl alcohol, it does not answer the what? Iodoform test. Fourth option. Yes. Acetone. Yes. Acetone, when reacts with concentrated HCl and amalgamated zinc, gives acetone. That is CH3COCH. This is acetone. It is treated with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Can you name the reagent, this one? Concentrated HCl. It gives CH3, CH2, CH3. It gives propane. Here, in the last class, we discussed about this reagent. Can you name that reagent? Hello, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Can you name that reagent? Zinc amalgam and
Sir, Clemenson's reduction.
Clemmenson reduction. That is usually, I told you that to use to reduce that carbonyl group to last class I'll explain ಮಾಡಿದೆ to methylene group. Yes. So option.
Yes, sir.
Second. Next 41. Formaldehyde, when treated with KOH, gives methanol and potassium formate. The reaction is known as.
Sir, third one, Cannizzaro reaction.
Cannizzaro reaction. Why? Why? Because formaldehyde, which does not contain what? Alpha hydrogen. Yes. Next question. 42nd. Which of the following will give Cannizzaro reaction? Which of the following will give Cannizzaro reaction? What is the condition for Cannizzaro reaction? Yes. What is the condition for Cannizzaro reaction?
Sir, option 3.
Yeah, very good. Option 3. Why?
There is no alpha hydrogen.
There is no alpha hydrogen. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following compounds will undergo self-aldol condensation in the presence of cold dilute alkali?
Sir, option 1.
No, option 4. Here, that is alkene agoytu. First option is alkene, right? 43rd, fourth option. But adu agutte, but it contains double bond. Right, double bond iradu. Even though that contains alpha hydrogen, but because that contains hydrogen iradinda, fourth option is the correct answer. Yes. Next, which of the following is incorrect? First option, ferric chloride is used in detection of phenol. Felling solution is used in detection of glucose. Tollens reagent is used in the detection of unsaturation. Sodium bisulfite is used in the
Option 4.
carbonyl compounds.
Option 4, sir.
Used in the detection of carbonyl compound. Is incorrect, right? Tollens reagent in the detection of unsaturation. Tollens reagent, what about third option? Third option, Nori. Is it used for Tollens reagent is detect for unsaturation?
No, sir. It is used for detection of aldehyde group.
Aldehydes and ketones. Therefore, third option. Yes. Next, last question, right? Ketones are first oxidation products of.
Sir, 45th one.
Which of the following? 44.
Sir, 45th.
Yeah, which
Oxidation of toluene with CrO3.
oxidation of toluene with CrO3 in the presence of acetic anhydride gives a product A, which on treating with aqueous sodium hydroxide produces.
Option A.
Option 3 is the answer. That is sodium benzoate. Okay, sodium benzoate is the answer because that is toluene. See that reaction is, this is toluene CH3. This I'm treating with CO3 in the presence of CH3 CO twice O, it gives benzoic acid. It gives benzoic acid. This I'm treating with sodium hydroxide gives sodium benzoate. Therefore, option is a third option. Then last question. Ketones are first oxidation products of
Sir, option 3.
secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. I hope it is clear about this one. Okay, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Next chapter we can discuss it is organic compounds containing nitrogen. It is nothing but amines. Okay, amines chapter. How many questions are there? Amines. There's nothing but organic compounds containing nitrogen.
41 questions, sir.
Okay, fine. We can discuss question answer as and when required. I have told you that I will give the important points. The major product form when ammonia reacts with excess of ethyl iodide. Excess of ethyl iodide. Yes, ammonia.
Sir, option 3.
No.
Option
4.
Yeah, very good. Nodi. Here, excess. What is the name of the product? Ethyl iodide, right? C2H5I. This is ethyl iodide. Here, excess react adre. Here it gives C2H5. It removes all the hydrogen, N plus I. This is called as the tetraethyl. That is nothing but quaternary ammonium salt. That is tetraethyl iodide. Tetraethyl ammonium iodide. Tetraethyl ammonium iodide. This is called as a quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. But this is one condition. It is also very important. NH3 is excess. Excess or same. It is treated with C2H5I. Again, what is the product formation takes place? C2H5NH2. C2H5NH2. That is nothing but ethylamine. Ethylamine. When or equal ratio or excess of ammonia reacts with ethyl iodide to give ethylamine. In this case, ammonia reacts with excess of ethyl iodide to give quaternary ammonium salt formation. Here it consumes 4 molecules of ethyl iodide. Here, if it is ammonia reacts with only 1 molecule of ethyl iodide to give ethylamine formation. Ethylamine. If it is reacts with 2 molecules of ethyl iodide to form diethylamine. If it is reacts with 3 molecules of ethyl iodide to form triethylamine. Triethylamine. If it is reacts excess means 4 molecules with a reactor, that is quaternary ammonium salt. That you know that general reaction. Yes, that is general reaction. NH3 plus RX. Generally, this is excess. Excess to give R4 N plus I. This is called as a quaternary ammonium salt. But in this case, NH3 plus either excess or any molecules or X with react to give RNH2. That's all. That is called as a only primary amine formation. I think this type will repeat questions. Be careful, right? Yes. So what is the answer? 4th option. Next, Gabriel thalamide reaction is used for preparation of.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3.
Primary aliphatic amines. Next. Which of the following statements about primary amine is false? First one, alkyl amines are stronger.
Option 2.
Ammonia. Alkyl amines are strong base than aryl amines. False ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Be careful.
Option 4.
It's very good. Alkyl amines react with nitrous acid to produce alcohol. Adu correct agide. Alkyl amines reacts with nitrous. Aryl amines reacts with nitrous acid to produce phenol. That is wrong. Option 4 is the wrong. Next, 4th one. Which of the following is correct increasing order of basicity of amines in gaseous phase? ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are two phases are there. One is gaseous phase ಅಂತ ಒಂದು.
Sir, option 2.
This option 2 is that right? Yeah, correct ಆಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Gaseous phase ಅದಾದ್ರೆ tertiary amines greater than secondary amines greater than primary amines. ಅದೇ aqueous phase ಆದ್ರೆ secondary amines are greater than primary amines greater than tertiary amines. This is the order in the case of what? Aqueous phase. ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is in the phase of gaseous phase. This is in the gaseous phase. So lastly, you know that it is ammonia only, NH3. Yeah. This is our, so answer is second. Next, fifth question. Which of the following is more basic than aniline?
Sir, option 4.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1 is the correct answer. Benzyl amine. Which of the following is more basic than aniline? Aniline, you know that C6H5NH2. Yes, this is called as a benzyl amine. C6H5CH2NH2. Yes, benzyl amine. Next, sixth one. Which of the following will give nitrogen gas on treatment with the nitrous acid? Nitrous acid. What is
Option 4.
Sir, option 4.
Yes, all will give nitrogen. Right? Why all will give nitrogen? Because all amines are primary amines. Right? All primary amines, you know, it gives nitrogen gas liberated. Okay. With the formation of what? Sixth one. Primary amines reacts with nitrous acid. What is the formula of nitrous acid?
HNO2.
HNO2. Nitrous acid to give ROH. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. ROH. It liberate nitrogen gas. Okay, alcohols ಬರುತ್ತೆ with the liberation of what? Nitrogen gas. ಇದು ಒಂದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, that is aromatic amines are or NH2. R is aryl group. R is aryl group. That is nothing but aniline. Aniline, it reacts with the nitrous acid in the presence of concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl. What is the product? Aromatic amines.
Benzene diazonium chloride.
PDC is nothing but benzene diazonium chloride formation. Ido primary amines. There is primary aliphatic amines. R means R alkyl. Alkyl group. R is alkyl amines reacts with nitrous acid to form alcohols with the liberation of nitrogen gas. Other aromatic amines, that is nothing but aryl amines, it is nothing but aniline, reacts with nitrous acid to form BDC, benzene diazonium chloride formation. They will ask you. Yeah. That means what is the answer? Yeah. Sixth one, fourth one. Next, seventh one. the amine which will not liberate nitrogen and reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1. Try ethyl amine C2H5 N C2H5 C2H5. This is called as a triethylamine.
Sir, try methylamine, sir.
Methyl. Trimethylamine. Trimethylamine means that is CH. That's all, right?
Yes, sir.
CH3. 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 Right? Next. 8th one. Which among the following statements is true? Trimethylamine forms soluble compound with Heisenberg.
3.
Yeah. Option?
Option 3.
Yes. Option 3 is the right answer. 7, 8, 1. Option 3 is the right answer. Because methylamine reacts with nitrous acid and liberate nitrogen to form aqueous solution. Yes. Third one. Yes. Next. Which of the following reaction will not give primary amines?
Option 3.
Will not give primary amines. Yeah.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3 is the right answer. That is called as a methyl isocyanate. But that on reduction, CH3 NC methyl isocyanate, that on treating with the lithium aluminum hydrate. Lithium aluminum hydrate. Reduction it gives CH3 NH
COOH.
CH3, not COH. Here reduction. I am not hydrolysis. This on reduction to give what? This is a secondary amine. It is nothing but dimethyl amine, right? Dimethyl amine formation. But all other compounds to give primary amines. First option, acetamide react with bromine and potassium hydroxide to give methyl amine formation. Methyl amine formation. Bromine in potassium hydroxide. That is the naming reaction. Can you name the reaction? The first one. Acetamides reacts with bromine and potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine. That is Hoffman's bromamide reactions, or it is also called as Hoffman's degradation reaction. Okay, but cyanates on reduction gives primary amines. Illo aste acetamides, fourth option, that also reduction to gives primary amines formation. So third option cannot form primary amines because it gives secondary amines. Yes. Next, 10th one. An organic compound A on treatment with ammonia gives B, which on heating gives C. C, when treated with bromine in the presence of potassium hydroxide, produces ethyl amine. Compound A is ethyl amine formation of final product is ethyl amine. So ethyl amine andre what is the formula? EH3 yes CH2 NH2. This is the final product, we know that, right? Then we have to find out C, then B, then we have to find out A. This is the final product. Then here C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ, bromine anta, bromine and potassium hydroxide. Just now I told you that it is a half months bromamide reactions. Half months bromamide reaction ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH3 CH2 CONH2. It must be this product. This is C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now P ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? C ಅದಾಯ್ತು. B which on heating gives C. Andre to get its product C, this is the product, that is CH3 CH2 COO NH4. This is the product, that is B. Okay. ಇದು ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ NH3 ಜೊತೆ. That means final product should be CH3 C. Final product should be CH3 CH2 COOH. This I'm treating with ammonia to form. This is propanoic acid, first one. This is A. Propanoic acid when reacts with ammonia to form a salt, that is called as a ammonium salt formation. CH3 CH2 COO NH4. This is B. ಇದನ್ನ heat ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it removes ammonia molecule NH3. Ammonia molecule remove agi to form amides formation. Amides on treating with the bromine in potassium hydroxide to form ethylamine formation. So the answer is option 4. Eleventh one. Which one of the following amines does not undergo acylation?
Sir, option 3.
Option 3. What is the reason? Because it does not contain hydrogen. Nitrogen, it does not contain hydrogen. Then if contain nitrogen, if nitrogen contain hydrogen, then only it undergo acylation reaction. Next. Basic hydrolysis of alkyl cyanides produces basic hydrolysis of alkyl cyanides.
Sir, option 2.
ಇದು many times repeat ಆಗಿದೆ.
Option 1.
ಇದು hydrolysis 1. ಇದು just look at this reaction. The hydrolysis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು basic hydrolysis. This is basic hydrolysis to give RCOONA. The basic hydrolysis means that treating with some base sodium hydroxide. Illi just hydrolysis antandre it usually it is acidic. Acidic hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis means we use H2O like this plus. Basic hydrolysis means we use hydrolyze using a base. Avaga, this is the product. Here it is a acid hydrolysis to give carboxylic acids for it. And the basic hydrolysis to give salts of carboxylic acids. That is salts of
Option 3.
Suppose if you use sodium, that is sodium salts of carboxylic acid. If you use a potassium hydroxide, that is called as the potassium salts of carboxylic acids. Generally, we call it as the salts of carboxylic acids. Option 3.
3.
Know the difference between acid hydrolysis and basic hydrolysis. Therefore, they have given the first option itself is a carboxylic acids. In previous chapter, we know that only the hydrolysis, I was telling only the hydrolysis simply. Usually that is acid hydrolysis. Suppose if they mention basic hydrolysis means that is sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Yes. Next, 13. Yes, which of the following does not react with Heisenberg reagent or Heisenberg reagent?
Option 3.
It's option 3. That is tertiary amines. It does not react with Heisenberg reagent. Can you name the Heisenberg reagent? Yes. Yes, this is the Heisenberg reagent. This is called as a benzene. What? Benzene sulfonyl. Sulfonyl chloride. Heisenberg reagent. How to remember this also. What is the use of this reagent?
Sir, it reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamide.
Yes, corresponding sulfur, but tertiary amine it does not. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. P2H5, NH2, Na, NO2, HCl, X. It is X reacts with phosphorus and bromine to give Y. Y reacts with excess anta kodidare. Excess ammonia Z.
Sir, option 4.
Yes, correct. Excess ammonia antandre gottagutte nimge. But it is option 4, ethyl amine formation. Amines formation. Right? Ethyl amine. Because what is X here? What is X? 14th option. Right answer. Then what is X here? X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, Y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, then Z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. What is X?
Ethanol.
Very good. Ethanol. C2H5OH. ಬರ್ದಿದೆ in the beginning reaction. Primary alcohols reacts with nitrous acid to give primary amines reacts with nitrous acid to give alcohols formation. Ethyl alcohol agutte. Ethyl alcohol reacts with phosphorus and bromine to form ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, C2H5Br ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ethyl bromide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ethyl bromide which reacts with excess of ammonia forms ethyl amine formation. Ethyl amine. So option 4, that is ethyl amine. Next, 15th. Which of the following amines can exhibit enantiomerism? What is the condition to exhibit enantiomerism? It contain chiral carbon, right?
Yes, sir.
Identify the in the
Option 2.
Sir, option 2.
is it containing chiral carbon?
So second one will contain chiral carbon, sir.
Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images.
Yes, sir.
So which what is the answer?
2, second one.
2 or 4? Fourth one. 2 methyl.
The fourth one will have both side methyl group, no, sir.
2 methyl 2 propanamine. See, just a minute. I will write the fourth option. Its structure 2-methyl 2-propanamine. Yeah. CH3 C CH3 NH2 2-methyl 2-propanamine. Is it correct?
Sir, second one you see, sir.
Yeah, this is not possible. Then second one, what is the structure? 2-methyl 2-butanamine, right? 2-methyl CH3 C CH3 methyl 2-butanamine. Yeah. NH2, right?
Yes, sir.
NH2, then
C2H5.
CH2 CH, or you can write C2H5, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. C2H5. Okay, fine. How it is possible? 2-methyl. This is 1, 2. This is 2-methyl. How it is possible? It is also not possible, right? That is also not possible. Benzenamine or 2-propanamine.
Sir, 2-propanamine is also not possible, sir.
Not possible. Benzenamine is also not possible. 2-methyl 2-propanamine.
Sir, option 2 can produce cis and trans, no, sir. Option 2 can produce cis and trans, no, sir. Then it will also be an enantiomer.
2-methyl 2-butanamine conventions are non-superimposable mirror images. Okay, keep this one pending. Okay, this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Because no one is no option is matching, right?
Sir.
Fine, that we can discuss in the next class. Yeah. Next, unpleasant smell of carbylamines is obtained when
Sir, option 4.
Option 4, there is any primary amines. 16th, any
And 3.
option 3. There is a reaction is called as a carbylamine reaction. They're having unpleasant, that is having bad odor. Okay, bad odor. 17. Electrophile involved in the formation of nitrobenzene from benzene.
Sir, option 1.
Option 2.
NO2 is formation. Yes. Ethyl isocyanide. Acidic hydrolysis generates ethyl isocyanide. What is the formula of ethyl isocyanide? C2H5NC. This on hydrolysis. To generate. ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸೈನೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐಸೋಸೈನೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ethyl amine salt plus methanoic acid. First option. Okay, methanoic acid. What is the formula of methanoic acid? HCOOH. Then the ethylamine salt. Ethylamine salt. Acid hydrolysis. What is the ethylamine salt? Ethylamine salt, C2H5. Ethylamine salts. How it is this? Yeah, ethylamine salt first.
Only ethyl.
Yeah. Yeah, first ethylamine salt formation takes place. What is the reaction? The first option only. Okay. Ethylamine salt and methanoic acid. Yes. Next. Next question. The missing product is Can you name that reaction?
Carbylamine reaction.
Carbylamine reaction. ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ?
Sir, option
Yes.
3, sir.
option 3.
Option 4. That is nitrogen gets positive, then carbon gets negative charge. Yeah. Next. Aniline undergoes condensation to form Schiff's base on reacting with
Option 4.
Yes, benzoate is the answer. There is what is the question number? 28th, 19th, 20th, right?
Sir, 19th one, how sir nitrogen will get positive charge?
What is the valency of that this one? Nitrogen?
3, sir. If
That's
it goes more than that, then it should get negative only, no, sir.
NC. No, that is the fourth one only. Positive, it should contain positive. Carbon gets negative. Correct agide.
Yes, sir.
That is 19th, right? Then
Yes, sir.
20th. 20th. Aniline undergoes option 4. This is called as a Schiff's base anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. That is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. This is a CHO. This is I'll write C double bond O. C double bond O. H. This is benzaldehyde. Reacts with aniline, right? Aniline, that is N. This is aniline. Here condensation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Water remove ಆಗಿ to form this base. This is called as a CH double bond N. This is called as a Schiff's base into Schiff's. That is called as a fourth option. Next, 21. Each is the answer for this. Hinsenberg's reagent is
Option 1.
benzene sulfonide chloride. Option 1. This is the structure of benzene sulfonide. SO2C. Next. Diethylamine reacts with nitrous acid to give. Diethylamine reacts with nitrous acid to give.
Sir, option 1. No, option 4. Option 4.
Nitrogen and alcohol. Fourth option. Yes. Reaction of ethylamine with chloroform and alcoholic KOH gives ethylamine. That is nothing but option
2.
Two.
Option 2.
isocyanates. This reaction is called as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೈಲಮೈನ್ reaction ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Carbylamine reaction. Yes. Next, reaction of chloroform with alcoholic KOH and paratolidine forms. Paratolidine forms.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1, because chloroform ಮತ್ತು alcoholic KOH are there. That is usually ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ isocyanates, right? 4, option 1.
Sir, ನಡುದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನು ಸರ್?
Yeah,
ಆ ನಡುದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನು ಸರ್?
gap. ಯಾವುದು?
CH3 ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟವರ ಸರ್?
I don't know which gap. What is the question? The reaction of chloroform with alcoholic KOH and paratolidine forms. Next, that is the first option. Forms.
Option 2.
No, the first option. Next question you are asking. You are asking next question, right? Which amine of the following will not answer carbylamine reaction?
Sir, option 2.
Option 2. Next, dimethylamine, because it reacts only
Primary aromatic and aliphatic amines.
primary matra answer matter, but it is a secondary. Yes. Next, what is the end product in the following sequence of operations? The sequence of operations.
Sir, option 3.
Yes, ethylamine, very good. Then what is A? What is A?
C2H5OH.
Yes, C2H5OH. C2H5OH, right? Then B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Nitrous
C2H5Cl.
C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl. Then C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C2H5
NH2.
C2H5NH2. Yes. So option ethylamine 3. Yes. A compound A has molecular formula C7H7NO. On treatment with Br2, bromine and KOH, A gives amine B, which gives carbylamine test. B upon diazotization and coupling with phenol to give an azo dye, A can be.
Sir, option 2.
That's correct. Option 2. I think these reactions are removed. The coupling reactions, I think they're removed, right? Azo dyes. That means benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol. Okay. That is, it gives orange red color. Other benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline to give yellow color solution or yellow dye formation. Okay. That is, see, is it suits that molecular formula?
Yes, sir.
Match agutta?
Yes, sir.
Simple ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It must be aromatic ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ diazotization reaction ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it must be aromatic. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನಿನ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. bromine in potassium hydroxide ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it must be an amide because it must be Hoffman's bromamide reaction. Hoffman's bromamide reaction ಆಗಬೇಕು. It must be CONH2. Okay. This is molecular form. And treating with the bromine and KOH, it gives an amine, right? Gives an amine. That is called as a aniline. Aniline. It gives aniline. Yeah, which gives the carbylamine test because ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬೈಲಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? NC ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಐಸೋಸೈನೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Dye test can be used to distinguish between
Sir, option 2.
option 2 ethylamine and aniline. Option 2 ethylamine and aniline. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ aromatic amines it undergo diazotization reaction to give benzene diazonium chlorides. Okay. Or benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline to form a azodide compounds formation. That is yellow in color. But ethylamines does not undergo dye test because they are aromatic. Next. Identify Z in the following series. XYZ. Illi alcoholic KOH anta kelidini. What is the use of alcoholic KOH? I already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Sir, dehydrohalogenation.
Dehydrohalogenating agent, right?
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ X?
Sir, C2H4.
Yeah, that is nothing but CH2 double bond
Ethene.
CH2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Ethene ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then Y ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? Bromine ಜೊತೆ
1,2 dibromoethane.
CH, right? Bromine CH2 single bond CH2 CN. This is Y. Then Z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is treating with potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that is CH2 sorry ಇದು bromine. ಇದು bromine ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then cyanide formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is
Sir, option 2.
Option
2.
Next. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. C6H6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ benzene reacts with nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Yes. ಇದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
2,4,6 trinitrobenzene.
Let me see. Okay. X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
2,4,6 trinitrobenzene.
Trinitrobenzene ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಬರೀ benzene on nitration to gives only nitrobenzene ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir,
2,4.
it's not specified whether it's concentrated, no, sir. Then if it is concentrated, it will give trinitro, no, sir.
Okay. No. Benzene doesn't give trinitro. You know that you are telling about picric acid, phenol. Right? Don't get confused. Phenol ಆದರೆ trinitrophenol ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is called as a picric acid, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ benzene ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Assume that it is a concentrated one. Nitrobenzene ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Then chlorine and ferric chloride ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. That is chlorine and ferric chloride ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cl. That is called as a Friedel-Crafts reaction ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, chlorine ಬರುತ್ತೆ, FeCl3, that is Y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then this on reduction, that is Z. Nitrobenzene reduction ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? NH2
Option 4.
Cl. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, tin in HCl is a reduction. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? NO2 group is converted into NH2 group ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is that correct?
Sir, option 4.
Yes, none of this. Actually, what is the answer? No, answer is fourth option. What is the actual product? Chloroaniline. Right?
2-chloroaniline.
2-chloroaniline. Yes. Next. An organic compound X. 31st, right?
Yes, sir.
31st. An organic compound X reacts with nitrous acid to give effervescence and alcohol in the presence of the yeast formed X can be obtained by the reduction of nitrous acid.
Sir, option 1.
No. Here,
Option 2.
yes, option 2 is the right answer. Alkyl cyanides. Notice, an organic compound X reacts with nitrous acid. X reacts with the nitrous acid to give an effervescence and alcohol. Andre, alcohols barutte andre, it must be RNH2 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? It must be RNH2. RNH2 ಆದ್ರೆ reacts with nitrous acid HNO2 and nitrous acid to give ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ alcohol ROH with the liberation of nitrogen gas, right? To give effervescence and alcohol. X is formed. This is X. It is formed from which compound ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There is alkyl cyanides. ನೋಡಿ, RCN. RCN, this on treating with the reduction, that is lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride with the reduction of the alkyl cyanides, it gives amines. Amines, this on treating with nitrous acid to give alcohols. There is option 2. Is it clear? Yes. Next, Ri on reaction with excess of NH3 will mainly gives. In the first question I only discussed. Ri on reaction with excess of NH3 will mainly gives. First slide. Option. First slide ನೋಡಿ. Hello. Any problem? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? I think there's a network problem.
Option.
Option. Option 1.
Answer.
Yeah, option 1. Cut ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. Yes, option 1. Next. Following are the dissociation constant of 4 amines, which value corresponds to the strongest base. Strongest base. Illi, you know that larger the Kb value, that is stronger the base. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, stronger the base. This is the one point. ಹಾಗೆ larger the Ka value, that is stronger the acid. Then what is meant by Ka? Ka and Kb and Ka and Kb are called the dissociation constant of weak acid and the kariತೀವಿ. Kb is called as a dissociation constant of weak base. Okay, I will take a general reaction. HA is a weak acid. ಇದು dissociate ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? H plus and A minus. For this one, Ka is equal to molar concentration of H plus into molar concentration of A minus divided by HA. Okay, that is in the second point, larger the Ka value, stronger the acid. Okay. Larger the Ka value, stronger the acid. Similarly, yakendre, that is numerator will be more, denominator will be less. To become larger the value of Ka, denominator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ less ಇರುತ್ತೆ, numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ more concentration ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ more number of H plus will produce. That is called as a more acidic. Okay, is it clear? Then BOH is a base. It ionizes to give B plus and OH minus. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ dissociation constant ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Kb ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because it is a base. Here it is a acid again. This is base. ಇದು Kb ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ B plus into OH minus divided by BOH. Here larger the Kb value ಅಂದ್ರೆ numerator value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ more ಇರುತ್ತೆ, denominator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ less ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ more number of OH ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ we know that ionization takes place to a greater extent. That is considered as a strong acid. You know can you remember the three concepts of acids and bases? Three concepts of acids and bases. That is Arrhenius theory, Lewis theory, then one more. Arrhenius theory, Lewis theory, then Lowry-Bronsted theory. These are the three concepts of acids and bases. I think that we can discuss in this some other chapter. That is in the first year we can discuss. That is equilibrium anta ide. That is also very, very important chapter. That also it contains more weightage. Therefore, we can discuss there. What are the three concepts of acids and bases? That is what is Arrhenius theory, what is Lewis theory, what is Lowry-Bronsted theory. There we can discuss. Here, larger the concentration of OH, then that is Kb value is high. Therefore, larger the Kb value, stronger the base. Larger the Ka value, stronger the acid. Now, you tell me the correct answer now. The first year concept. Which one larger the value of Kb here? Which option? ಯಾವುದು high value ಇದೆ? Meganath? Which one is having higher value of Kb. ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದು?
sir.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? The 33rd ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ? Larger the value of Kb. Second option. Okay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ? Yes. Next. Carbylamine test is performed in alcoholic KOH by heating a mixture of yes, first option chloroform and silver powder. Second option trihalogenated methane and primary amine. Third option
Option 2.
yes, trihalogenated methane and a primary amine. What is meant by trihalogenated methane, Andra? It is nothing but chloroform, right? Trihalogenated and primary amines. That we know that it is nothing but carbylamine reaction. It is 34, option 2. Next, 35. C3H9N represents C3H9N represents all. So we can option 4. You can write primary amines, secondary amines, as well as tertiary amines also you can write. Right? Next. Indicate which nitrogen compound amongst the following would undergo Hoffman's reaction. That is, reaction with bromine and strong KOH to furnish the primary amine.
Option 3.
Yes, option 3. That is amides. Amides having the general formula RCONH2. RCONH2. The compound which on reaction with aqueous nitrous acid at low temperature produces an oily nitrosoamine is
Option 1.
diethylamine. Diethylamine. Yes. Which of the following reaction does not yield an amine? Does not yield an amine.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, option 3. What is the answer for that? What is actually the formation of compound takes place?
Acid.
Yes, very good. Acid, carboxylic acid. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. Next, 39. Hydrolysis of benzonitrile gives hydrolysis of benzonitrile gives break ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Hello.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2 now. Benzonitrile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Option 1. Option 1.
Option 1. That is nothing but cyanobenzene. Benzonitrile ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is nothing but cyanobenzene. ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that is cyanide groups is converted into carboxylic acid. It is nothing but what? Benzoic acid. Yeah. Benzoic acid is, this option 3. Option 3 is next to reaction A, H2 platinum gives primary amines. Reaction 2, B, H2 plus H2 platinum gives secondary amine. A and B are. And already the reaction bar torsi.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1. Very good. Option 1. There is what we get 1 RCN. A ಏನಂದ್ರೆ A RCN ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is nothing but reduction. Reduction ಆದಾಗ RCH2 NH2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is called as a primary amine. That is called as a reducing agent. B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RNC. It is nothing but isocyanide. ಹೌದಾ? This on reduction to give RNH CH3. This is called as a secondary amine. This is called as a secondary. Yes. Next question is very easy. 41. Right? Amides can be converted into amines by
Option 4.
option 4. That is called as a Hoffman's bromamide reaction or Hoffman's reaction. What is the reagent used in Hoffman's bromamide reaction? What is the reagent? Bromine and potassium hydroxide.
Alcoholic KOH.
Bromine in alcoholic KOH. It is bromine in alcoholic KOH. Yes, you know that by studying this chapter, amines, ನೀವು 2 common naming reactions ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? One is Hoffman's bromamide reaction ಒಂದು. Next, carbyl amine reaction ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. Then one more. Carbyl amine reaction, Hoffman's bromamide reaction. One more reaction, naming reaction. ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎರಡಲ್ಲ. In this chapter we discussed 2 naming reactions. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು
Tally ಮಾಡಿ. Phthalate reaction.
Gabriel's phthalimide reaction, right? Phthalimide reaction. Gabriel's phthalimide reaction. The more reaction and their reagent ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸಿ. The reagent and the reverse agi, usually they will ask this type of questions. Yes. Is any doubt in this chapter? There is one question is pending in this chapter. That is the question number 19, right? Just go through that. What are the possible answers for it? I think sir has sent already one more chapter. That is ಯಾವುದು biomolecules, right? ಇದೆಯಾ? Biomolecules ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರ ಸರ್? Hello. Biomolecules. Next chapter is biomolecules. I think we can discuss still 10 more minutes to have. We can discuss at least some 5-6 questions. Serena, are you ready? Start madana. Yes, biomolecules. We discuss the main. One is proteins. Proteins discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then nucleic acids. Nucleic acids discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then third one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and vitamins. These 4 concepts we discussed under biomolecules, right? I think vitamins are not there this academic year, right? Amines biomolecules alli vitamins illa, proteins, nucleic acids, then carbohydrates. These 3 concepts we can discuss in this chapter, that is biomolecules. Really, what is the general formula of amino acids? What is the general formula of amino acids? What are amino acids first? Can you name the 2 functional groups which are present in amines? This is the general formula of amino acid. Amino acid. Can you name the 2 functional groups present in amino acid? Structure barda idi. 2 functional groups. And also name itself indicates that there are 2 functional groups. Hello, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Look at the screen and tell me there are 2 functional groups present in amino acid. Yes, that is carboxylic acid, then amine. Carboxylic acid and amine group are the 2 functional groups present in amino acids. Here, there are 21 naturally occurring amino acids are there just by varying the R group. Okay, R change adre, there are many amino acids. R may be hydrogen ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, methyl ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ethyl ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ phenyl ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, or maybe CH2COH group ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. There are many amino acids. There are 21 naturally occurring amino acids are there. These amino acids are classified into basic amino acids, acidic amino acids, then neutral amino acids. ಅಂತ 3 groups alli classify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. All those things we can discuss in the Next class, I will stop at this stage. Okay. Just go through this question and answer. How many questions are there?
39.
35. Huh? Yes.
39.
39. Yes. Next two chapters, it doesn't take much time. Remaining chapters. Remaining chapters, you know that surface chemistry. There is no need of much explanation, because organic reactions you have to show. I have to show all the reactions or steps. Right. Here, direct question and answer we can discuss the remaining chapters. At present, I will stop at this stage. You can continue.
Sir, inorganic.
ಈ ಬಯೋಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಲಿ. ಇನಾರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಪಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ಎಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.